The production started about 18 months ago, or planning for the production started about 18 months ago, when the town of Pontex contacted Nowhere Productions to see if we might be interested in developing a site-specific piece around the history of the community, or around the centennial, which at that point was a year and a half away.
I think it's a wonderful opportunity to remember. It's almost an opportunity for us to remember the history of our own people. Because the people who are living here, many of them, it was their descendants who pioneered here. So to celebrate 100 years, it's basically celebrating the people that we have known over the years that make it possible for us to enjoy what we have. It's almost like celebrating our families. It's celebrating our community. It's celebrating those who have gone before us, but those of us who are now here should really be grateful, I think, to God and also to our pioneers, our ancestors who came here, who gave so much of themselves. And it's almost like a défi à relever, a challenge for us to meet today. Whatever we do, to do it in harmony, in God's plan, en communion with one another.
So 18 months down the road, we're on looking at the opening of the production today, as a matter of fact, and it's been both a rocky ride, but a ride that's also allowed us to meet fascinating people and build something that I think will be really interesting.
Sommes-nous des sans-pays? Vous n'appartenez pas ici, nous dit-on. Allez-vous-en chez vous. D'autres nous disent que nous appartenons à quelque chose qui n'existe pas. Une communauté francophone dans l'Ouest. C'est un mirage voué à disparaître. D'autres encore ignorent complètement notre existence ou la jugent très peu importante. Mon Dieu, même pas 2% de la population et même pas 2 siècles d'histoire. Ça diminue toujours. L'assimilation, vous savez. Alors voilà, c'est ça. Je pars en voyage. Je voyage au nom de tous les 100 pays. Je suis à la recherche de ce auquel nous appartenons, vous et moi. Je compte voyager seul, bien que je voyage en votre nom. Ce genre de voyage se fait toujours seul. C'est ce que l'on rapporte qui est partagé. Mais il est difficile de voyager au nom des autres. Non, ce ne serait pas un voyage facile.
brogue. Blood pouring out of the cavities from Spanish flu. The priest coming to anoint the sick, bringing the ritual of transformation to the bedside. Bread for the trip across the abyss. The act of putting the sick at the center of ritual, taking away the curse of affliction, transforming them from objects of repulsion to individuals worthy of honor. La 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 la. La 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 la
Right here.